I'm Stephanie from stephanieknaturals.com, and I'm going to tell you how to put together a perfume kit. If you're putting together a kit of essences to make oils, first I recommend that you have a good combination of base, middle, and top notes. Your base notes are the ones that are going to be woods, resins, and then there's the heart of the perfume, some flowers and leafy things, and then the citrus top notes and seeds. But have a combination of those because you want to blend all of them. Have some from every category in a finished perfume. You want to make sure you include clean droppers, and you may even want to just have some diluted essences in a dropper bottle like this. That way you don't have to dilute them afterward, and they're not going to eat through the plastic. Because if you have a pure concentrated essence, they can eat through these little rubber droppers pretty quickly. So if you don't want to dilute your essences beforehand for your kit, then you also want to include a carrier. So you can do jojoba or fractionated coconut oil, or you can use alcohol. But those are the basics for a perfume kit, and from that you should be able to make a number of combinations for a perfume.